Cheers, it's Saturday. We're drinking.
Pinch of salt. Tablespoon of sugar.
Let's take a taste. Very interesting. Ooh. Ooh, it's a little mustardy. It's very sweet. Ah, no vinegar, no nothing. Supposed to be good on any greens. Quick salad dressing from 1916. Evaporated milk, pinch of salt, tablespoon of sugar, tablespoon of mustard. How simpler can it get? Let's see what it tastes like on lettuce. I'm not sure I taste it. It's very mild. I do taste it. Quick salad dressing. It's very different. The mustard is very mild. I used 5 ounces of evaporated milk because it said to use the small can, and the old small cans used to be 5 ounces. Oh! It's very mild, but very yummy, I have to say. Maybe if you beat it longer, would it thicken up? It just said beat for a minute and a minute. Yeah. I want to say it's heavenly. It's just not thick, though. Mmm. Cheers, it's Saturday. We're drinking. Next. Cheers, it's Saturday. We're drinking.
Hey! Cup of olive oil. That's a lot of olive oil. teaspoon. 1 teaspoon.
Orange, onion, olives, 1 teaspoon of salt. It didn't say to blend. It didn't say to mix. So we're shaking it. For a long time.
Ah! 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 Ay! Ay!
I might shake it some more, but let's taste it. It didn't say to blend it or mix it. That looks like a nice thickness. But try it with an olive. Okay. Thousand Island dressing from 1916. Ooh. It is quite salty. Boy, the olives give it a good punch. Let's try it without the olive. Oh, it's too salty. It's a lot of salt. Very good flavor though. Maybe it won't taste that salty on salad. Thousand Island dressing from 1916. Take an olive, some lettuce, oh, I like that. It is too salty. It said a teaspoon of salt. I would put in half a teaspoon, if that. Boy, let's try it without an olive. I can't pick out the orange and lemon right now. But it tastes like there's vinegar in there. If I didn't know, I would think there was vinegar in there. Wow. That's really good. Maybe even a little more mustard? It looks nothing like the Thousand Island dressing we know today. But I gotta tell you, it's tasty. Cheers, it's Saturday. We're drinking. I can totally see making this again. Maybe with a little less salt, maybe a little more mustard. That was delicious. Next!
stir it into the butter. How do I do that? How do I stir it into the butter? We have no choice. 3 tablespoons of orange juice. 1, 2, 3. Rind. I don't want to do it again. Oh, I don't want to do it again. The egg was cold. I don't want to do it again. No, it's okay. It's okay. Gracie, it's okay. It's okay, you can stay there.
15 seconds in the microwave and the butter melted. Okay, we saved it. Nothing like putting something in the microwave from 1909 to get it to work. Tablespoon of sugar, half a cup. Where is half a cup? Half a cup of cream. Now it looks delicious. Orange rind.
Where's our camera? Oh, the walnuts look blanched.
Let's try it. That's delicious. Oh, it's like candy. Cheers, it's Saturday, we're drinking. I'm so glad I didn't have to do it over. Let's try it. Orange and a... How do I do this? Orange and a walnut? Okay, here we go. Winter salad? I see this as a summer salad. This is summer salad. Why is this a winter salad? Oh, the oranges. It's delicious. It's raw egg delicious. I was almost ready to redo the whole thing. Will wine kill salmonella? I bought the most expensive eggs. They were $6. That's really good. Thanks for joining me this Saturday. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Salmonella. That's not good. Don't say salmonella. Salmonella.